Hi, it's Andrea here. So I'm doing day 2 of trying to reduce my carbohydrate levels by increasing the amount of protein that I'm eating. So yesterday I did chia seeds. So today I'm going to be swapping out some pasta. So I'm going to make one of my favourite meals, especially if you're sleep deprived. It's dead easy to make. So it's Boursin pasta with vegetables. So I've got a Boursin which has only got 3 grams per 100 grams of carbohydrate, so that's really low. I've got some veg, just some leftover veg out of my fridge. You can pretty much put anything in this dish that you want. And tomatoes, you do need tomatoes in it. And then what I'm going to be doing is, instead of having, I couldn't find any on pasta, I've only got spaghetti in, but pasta has about 32 grams of carbohydrate in it. Swapping it out for this lentil pasta. So you can get this at Sainsbury's or Tesco or online. This has 23 grams of carbohydrate in it. So that's quite a significant reduction. And I'm only going to be putting a small amount of pasta in it rather than the larger amount that I usually put in. And I'm going to swap out also some chickpeas instead of the pasta. So that has 18 grams of carbohydrate per 100 grams. So reducing my carbohydrate by just introducing these two things. So I'm going to make the dish, I'll prepare it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you before it goes in the oven so that you can see, because it's a great dish. It's a dead handy one for when you're not sleeping very well, and you know, it's easy to prepare. That's my cat meowing, by the way, if you can hear her. So I've chopped up some veg, courgette, aubergine, tomatoes in there, some peppers, just out of my fridge. I'm just going to put a bit of olive oil on it, and I put the Boursin in the middle, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of spices. I like a little bit of a smoky Cajun and a bit of oregano. It doesn't matter, again, you can do, it's so versatile, this meal, and so simple. And that is going to go in the oven now, and I'll come back to you later when I've cooked the pasta and finished the dish and show you what it looks like. Hiya, so I've cooked the vegetables and the Boursin now, and that's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So all you do is you give it a whiz round, and honestly it smells delicious because the Boursin's garlic and herb flavour. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to add the lentil pasta that I've boiled, and then I've just warmed some chickpeas up, and I'm going to mix that up. And like I say, it's so simple, this meal. We have it quite a lot, and it's got a real lot of veg in it as well, which is really good. So it's a good one for kids, this, if you want to introduce a bit of veg to them. So that's that. That's as easy or as hard as it is. So I'm going to go and have my dinner now. I can have a good portion because a lot of this is actually veg. There we go.